One.
Hi everyone, welcome to our cooking channel. With us
For
today,
kids.
for kids, channel for kids. Today we have,
JJ Dragon.
JJ Dragon.
Nickname much.
And we have, in this
CJ.
corner, CJ. They're going to be doing most of our cooking today. We are using a recipe from Pinch of Yum. Please visit Pinch of Yum for more great recipes.
Link in the description.
All right.
So, here are your two co-hosts for the cooking show. We have Mom as the executive producer, and Dad as the director.
Okay. Have fun.
Have fun, guys.
Let's go. Okay, so we're making something really simple, really easy, and doesn't involve too much prep or anything. Please tell us what it is, JJ.
A noodle ball is pretty simple, pretty easy for kids. If they're just learning how to cook, it'll probably be very easy
Okay, so
with their parents' advice.
Okay, so here are the few ingredients that you're gonna need. First off, we got noodles. We made them according to the package instructions. It involves hot water. Be careful. Any sort of protein will work. We use chicken. You can use pork, beef, lamb, tofu even. Next, cucumber. Then red pepper. Then green onion. Then carrot. We just got a bag of this shredded carrot stuff.
Then we have some cilantro, then mint. I can't remember what this is. Basil. And then the sauce. We'll go over how to make the sauce in a minute.
Okay, so now we gotta chop the vegetables, but make sure you have grown-up supervision. Knives are very, very sharp, and make sure you know what you're doing.
Now we're gonna get chopping. So we have some deliciously fresh chopped cucumber. We have some perfectly ripe
Chopped red pepper.
yes, and we have some green onion.
Some carrot. We put the basil, mint, and cilantro all into one bowl. And now we'll move on to the sauce. So now we have really, really, really good sauce. And it's really, really, really simple. First we have,
kind of sour.
for the ingredients in the sauce, first we have 3 cloves of garlic. Then 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1/4 cup of fish sauce. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And, well, the recipe on Pinch of Yum originally called for 1/4 cup of lime juice, but we just used 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
Or if you have one of, where is it?
This just makes it really simple.
Yeah.
Just lemon juice or lime juice makes it really simple.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But now, what do we do to mix all these ingredients
And
together?
then we blend it.
Okay, so now we're just gonna put everything together. Really simple. Noodles, you can just use your hands. Doesn't really matter. Okay, these noodles have been sitting for way too long. I'm just gonna. Chicken. You don't have to put all the veggies if you don't like them, but I don't mind them, so. Red pepper. Carrot. Green onion. The mixture of stuff. And then the sauce. That's probably, well, now we're pretty much done. all that's left to do is stir it and eat it.
Which would do that.
And just please remember to check out the original recipe and any other recipes at Pinch of Yum. There hopefully will be a link in the description. I say hopefully.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.
So today we're making a noodle bowl. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You know.
Okay,
salad.
stop.
Next, we have 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Oh my